What's up, y'all?
Welcome back to another video.
It's work.
Oh, y'all already know what time it is. We coming back. We shit. Damn. Fuck it. I quit. I'm never talking again.
So he's gonna talk again. In like 3, 2, 1.
Alright, y'all. So today we're making a rubber band ball. We're gonna show y'all how to make a rubber band ball. It's gonna be lit. The thing is, the difference between the way I make rubber band balls and everybody else is that I have like big ass rubber bands. Like I don't have regular rubber bands, so it's like it's gonna be a lot harder to make it with bigger rubber bands than like the small ones.
Like it's too big. Like it's big and it's long.
Like the way you started off, I prefer using a thick, small rubber band when you start off.
Like
but
one
then,
of these?
nah, a thick, small one. Like that'll fit around your wrist. And then once you start off with the thick,
hold up.
Once you start off with the thick, small one, then like you get like the regular ones.
Fit around my wrist.
Then you get the smaller
I
ones.
can go get one for your granddaddy.
You don't got the like this small ones. You just got the regular ones. Alright, so y'all, I'm starting with my rubber band. What you wanna do, if you got a thick small one, you shouldn't have to fold it too much. Or if you got a bit, if you got like one of these long ones, you might want to fold it like twice. And this is gonna be the middle of your rubber band ball. Once you get it folded, then what you wanna do, you get it folded like this. I want y'all to make sure y'all can see how I fold it. I'm gonna do it again so you can see. So like that. And then
Oh, I got my Carson jacket.
And then fold it again.
Oh, can you help me?
Stick. What the fuck?
I got my Carson jacket. Can you get off my back?
Get off your back.
Up or something. Pull it up.
This nigga over here being dumb. Alright, once you get like this,
I forgot to unzip it.
You want to take another rubber band. What the fuck?
Hey, you started without me. How you do it?
Alright, we gotta do it one time for Ray. Take it like this. Fold it.
Fold it.
And then you want to take it again. And then fold it one more time. And try to keep it neat.
Like this?
Yeah. Once you get it thick, fold it.
I gotta get a straight one. Alright, cause that one was good. This one's straight. Alright, up. She fat.
And then fold it one more time. And then once you fold it, you want to take another rubber band. And you want to wrap it around like this, have it hanging. And you want to this nigga Ray. Alright.
Can you do it?
So, how the hell do you not get it? The nigga got the trash rubber band ball I made. Don't do that. You break the screen. So once you once you stick this through the rubber band, you wanna what's called it, twist it like this, so it made like a little X, and then you wanna stick it through again, and you wanna keep doing that until you can't do it no more.
That don't sound right.
So
can I just take this and add more?
Just keep doing that. Sure.
All you gotta do is just wrap it around like this.
Yeah, and do it how I'm doing it. You just take it and then you twist it around.
Wait, how?
Like that. Just take it, you twist it, and then you stick it through. To get twisted, you just stick it through. Simple, like that.
I don't understand.
Do like that every time. Hold up.
Let
me show you how to do this.
Like this. Stick it through.
Yep. First, you stick it through.
Stick it through what?
Hold up. The hole, nigga. The hole. The rubber band hole.
This hole?
No. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. Let me show them how to do this first. Alright, so you keep doing that until you get a thick base.
She gotta be thick. Like thick.
Alright.
But y'all,
fucking shit, I'm struggling, y'all. Sorry, hold up.
Whoa, bad language.
That's tough. Ah, shoot. Y'all, I'm almost done with my base. I'm sorry. I might edit this to put time lapse in.
I know my girlie. So y'all, we just gonna be
And then
going
once
to
y'all do that,
New York.
then y'all should be straight. Y'all got y'all little base, and y'all keep doing it until it gets like bigger and then start to make a round shape. What I got right here is terrible. It's a terrible example. What that ball? This one a little better. Let me see. Take this off. Yeah. I think I use something else for a base instead of just a rubber band. But eventually you'll start getting it big, and then once it get bigger, you can start wrapping around the other side, and then eventually it'll start to get a round shape. And you keep doing that, it'll turn into something like this, something like you make it bigger, and eventually you'll get a rubber band ball. So yeah, I don't really feel like making the whole rubber band ball. So like this is the end of the video. See y'all later.